wearing the black trunks. JB Hernandez wearing the red, white, and blue black trunks.
Oo.
Apat na kulay.
Of course, ang ating third man in the ring, si Coach Lester Del Rosario.
Our referee in charge, Lester Del Rosario.
Third man natin sa ating URCC cage. Oh. Referee Lester Del Rosario. Round 1, bakbaka na. Leg kick
Bigay
agad.
agad from Hernandez.
Hernandez. Tuhod ang binigay ni
Ruiz trying to get a takedown here. But nabaliktad ni
Nabaliktad yung sitwasyon.
Hernandez. Hernandez na on top.
Hernandez on top of pushing the
More,
face of
favorable position.
Ruiz.
Ruiz trying to get out of this position.
Ang ganda ng suntok na yun.
Oo.
Pumasok. Walang sinasayang na oras itong si Hernandez. Ayan, another one.
Hindi.
Neon belly. Hernandez tries to go
Trying to take the back.
trying to get the back of Ruiz, and pumasok ang kamay. If he secures this position, he will be able to...
Nakaalis agad dun sa position si Ruiz. Pero from this yung pagkakakontrol ni Hernandez, wow, now Ruiz has Hernandez's back.
Nagkabaliktad naman ngayon.
Throwing a couple of knees there. At marami pong nakatayo ngayon.
Oo.
This fight is looking to be a very exciting one. Iba naman, kanina medyo mas striking and may konting scuffle sa ground ngayon.
And now, itong si Ruiz trying to secure. Ayaw, nakakaikot ngayon si Hernandez. 10 seconds sa ating round. Trying to go for an armbar.
Ruiz got the... Wow!
Natapos yun. Chucky Ruiz winning the fight by an armbar in the nick of time.
That was slowly but surely.
Oo. Pumasok yun, umabot yun.
That was a very beautiful finish by dito kay Chucky Ruiz.
That was a good win by Chucky Ruiz. Winning the fight against JB Hernandez. He won by an armbar. Etong si Chucky Ruiz. Ganda ng
How
pagkakakuha.
often do you see 4 seconds na lang?
Yun eh,
In
pasok
the
na pasok.
blue corner, Chucky Ruiz!
And there you go, it's official. Chucky Ruiz winning the fight against JB Hernandez by an armbar.